Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to prepare iwuwukom. But before then, please, if you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't go away without subscribing. Also turn on post notification when you subscribe so that you'll be notified on time whenever I upload a new video. So in this video we are going to prepare iwuwukom. Iwuwukom means plantain porridge or porridge plantain, whichever way you may like to put it. So we are going to prepare iwuwukom. This iwuwukom is a special delicacy that is normally prepared whenever we are having a nursing mother. You know, here in my state, in Akwa Ibom State, we regard a nursing mother in a very high esteem because of breastfeeding. And so this porridge plantain or iwuwukom is normally prepared for a nursing mother so that she will be able to eat it and then have breast milk in order to breastfeed the baby. So if you want to know how I prepare this iwuwukom, please keep on watching this video to the end, as I'm going to take you through all the process of preparing this special iwuwukom. For you to prepare this iwuwukom, you need plantain, unripe plantain, and so I've got plenty of plantain here. You can see I have washed it very well and it's very clean and neat. Then you have to cut it to tiny pieces. The reason for cutting it this way is because it is going to be prepared as porridge. If it is not porridge, then you cannot cut it this way. So I have to take time and cut it very well so that you will have the desired sizes that you want. If you don't want to cut it as tiny as this, you can cut it much bigger than this. meats have been seasoned and steamed. That is why I'm adding it last. I'm also adding the ndong leaf. This ndong is scent leaf and it used to have a very nice aroma. So whenever you're preparing any dish that needs ndong to be added, you have to add the ndong last in order to bring out the aroma, and I don't want it to overcook. That is why I'm adding it last. After that, I'm going to stir it up, stir it properly so that everything will mix very well. The porridge plantain is ready. After this, I'm going to taste and then begin to serve. Wow, the porridge plantain is ready. After tasting, in fact, I need to add a little salt. That is why I'm adding some salt. So whenever you're cooking, you have to taste it so that you get the real taste of your food. So guys, the wukom is ready. Oh my God. Plantain porridge is ready. So I'm going to serve. You can see the face of this plantain porridge or wukom. It's so inviting. Oh my God, please, you need to try this. I'm sure you have seen how I prepare this iwukom or plantain porridge. Please don't fail to prepare this iwukom at home for your family. Today's post notification shout out goes to Nayalicious TV.
Nayalicious here again. Thank you so much, Mama, for featuring me on your channel. I really do appreciate it so much. From the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you to you and your family. My guys, I'm a Nigerian Australian YouTuber that loves creating content about food and lifestyle vlog. Please show me love by subscribing to my channel. Please just go and subscribe to my channel. Please, you will not regret it. Don't forget to on the notification bell so you would always get notified each time I upload a nice video every week. Thank you so much as you subscribe to my channel. May God bless you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, Mama, for giving me this opportunity to feature on your channel. It means a whole lot to your baby YouTuber. I love you all. Bye. Go and subscribe. Thank you.
For you to earn a shout out, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notification when you subscribe, so that you'll be notified on time. Also be the first to comment and get a shout out in my next video. See you in my next video.